pag ikaw lang ang may alam? Are you the only one who knows how to bring in customers? You know, a lot of businesses really seem stuck. Hindi dahil pangit ang produkto, kundi isang tao lang ang marunong magbenta. Maybe you can relate to this. Si Julian at si Bianca. They did not start out thinking this would be a problem. They ran a catering and events business. Weddings, birthdays, corporate gatherings. Busy, stable, and respected in their area. Julian focused on operations, suppliers, schedules, logistics. And si Bianca naman handled client inquiries, proposals, follow-ups. Alam niya kung anong sasabihin niya, kailan siya tatawag at paano mag-close. Natural lang sa kanya. So for years, it worked. Walang issue. Sales were steady. Tapos, life happened. Bianca had to step back for a few months due to health reasons. Hindi naman seryoso, just something that required her full attention. Si Julia naman had to take over client conversations. Pero doon, lumabas ang problema. Hindi niya alam how inquiries were being handled. Walang script, walang process, walang malinaw na sistema kung sino ang dapat na balikan at kailan. So you see, it was not that Julian wasn't capable. He just had nothing to follow. Some inquiries took too long to reply. Others quietly slipped through the cracks. Potential customers moved on without saying a word. Kaya nung bumalik na si Bianca, ramdam na ramdam nila ang epekto. Sales were lower, momentum was gone. At doon lang nila na-realize na marketing was not a system. It was just a person at that time. Kaya, anak, ito yung lesson. Kung isa lang tao ang marunong na makapag-bring in ng customers, hindi marketing yon. That's a single point of failure. It's not about pointing fingers. It's about keeping your business safe with a system that works, even if one of you can no longer show up. Kaya ngayon, anak, please be smart and be business-minded, Pinoy.